All right, so who is ready to make more money with Claude? All right, if you want to make more money with Claude, okay, type in the chat Claude. If you guys want to make more money with Claude. Okay, so welcome, all right, everyone. So today, so last week I wanted to create my own website, all right, and obviously, right, if you were to hire someone, right, to create a professional website for you, like how much would that cost, guys? Okay, let me know in the chat. Okay, how much would like a really professional, nice looking website cost? Like a full-time developer team, right? Stuff like that cost. Like how much would that cost? Okay, let me know that in the chat. Okay, so for me myself, I got a quotation, all right, from some people, all right. They are just using Claude to vibe code, and they quote me like 5,000 ringgit. Okay, like not even kidding, they quote me 5,000 ringgit. And then I was like, hey, you know what? Like, if I can just do it with Claude, like, wouldn't that be good, right? But at the same time, I was also worried about the quality, right? Like, how many of you guys are worried about like the quality or the design of the website, right? Okay. So, okay, I see about 40 of you guys join. All right. So thank you so much for joining. All right. Please turn on your cameras. All right. So that I know that you're fully in focus. All right. Okay. I see Tony, Steve, okay, Yukong, okay, Elaine, JT, Ploy, Derek, SH, JHI, GSC, Kelly, Amy, Changwi, Chris, Adam, Eric, okay, Raj, Taisu, okay, Ernie, Didi, right? Turn on your cameras, right? Turn on your camera so that I know that you are focused and you're committed. All right, to not only watch this, but also like do this together with me. All right. So I don't want you guys to be showing up on your phone, all right? Just show up on your laptop, okay? Because I'm gonna give you guys the files, and then okay, if you guys are committed, okay, you will actually leave this Zoom session with a simple version of what I have, all right? Just a simple version, all right? You see Yusri, Jackie, okay, Brian, okay, Shiv, okay, Estelle, Isaj, Elvin, okay, WK, okay, turn on your cameras, right? So that I know that you are focused and committed, okay, to making the most of this session. Okay, thank you, all right? Thanks, Amy, okay? Thanks, CFM, thanks, Elaine, all right, for turning on your cameras. Okay, thank you. So I was like, okay, I want to get Claude to do it, but at the same time, like, I don't fully trust it. Like, I don't fully trust it in my design, right? How many of you guys got this feeling where you like don't fully trust? Like you don't you know it's possible, but you like just don't fully trust it yet. All right. If you don't fully trust it, all right, just type in me in the chat. Okay. Like if you like don't fully trust it or you like don't know what to do with it, all right, just type me in the chat. All right. So I see Amy says me, okay, JHI says me, okay, DD says me, okay, CFM says me. Okay. So I was like, okay, you know what? Okay, but never mind, right, guys? I already pay for a $200 max subscription, all right? So I already pay for the highest plan. I was like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna try to dump everything into Claude Code and let's see what comes out. Okay, so how many of you guys are ready to see what comes out? Okay, like what did we actually end up building okay, with Claude? So let me share my screen, and if you guys can see my screen, okay, type in the chat one if you guys can see my screen. Okay, if you guys can see my screen, okay, type in the chat one in the chat so I know you guys can see my screen. Okay, I see Amy says one, JHI says one, SH says one, Right says one, CFM says one. Thank you. Okay, so this is the Claude Malaysia website that I've built with the rotating animation. Okay, it has a rotating animation, right? So you see as you scroll down, you see like the the words move. Okay, so there's like live animation as well. Okay, it's not just a plain simple boring website. There are animations. Okay, and as you scroll down, you see, okay, you see the numbers moving, right? Where the people you wish you met before you wasted a year Googling the best AI tool, right? So we're a community. We're not a course, right? We're not just an online course, right? But we're a real community of 1,700 people now. Okay. And if you realize, right, as I hover across my mouse, do you realize this orange color thing, right? See, like when I'm hovering across my mouse, like do you guys see, right? These different colors, right? So it's tracking my mouth movements as well. And then when I scroll down, right, there's more animations, right? So we have different types of people in our community. We have creator circle, right? So if you guys are a creator, if you guys want to create videos with us, create content with Claude, right? You can join our creator circle. Okay. If you guys are already builders, right? If you guys are pro builders, right? I don't need to sell you anything, right? Why don't you just come and be our partners, our facilitators, right? Our builders, like build with us, right? To sell solutions to companies. And if you are already a trainer, right? Why don't you come and train with us, right? Because there's so many companies asking, hey, Kingsley, can you train? But guess what? Kingsley only has 24 hours, correct or not? Okay, so I cannot take on every single training, right? But if you can, all right, sure. Okay, we can send you, right? Right now, we are focused on mainly KL, okay, KL companies, KL trainings for now. We have had people contact us from outside of KL, right? But even like KL alone, I couldn't even take all the demand. So we are just focusing on KL right now, right? And also if you're a 7 to 8 figure entrepreneur, we have like a special group for you as well, right? So this is the different sub communities that we have, right, under Claude Malaysia, and they're all like like beautifully presented here. Okay. Now what else, right? So we have the members, right? We have the section for the members. Okay, we have like these people, they have filled up a survey before. Okay, so we eventually want to feature all of our members. All right. So who wants to be featured one day, right? All right, on Claude Malaysia website with your name. Okay, for example, right? Maybe CFM, right? Maybe Isach, right? Maybe SH, right? Who would like to be featured one day on Claude Malaysia website? Okay, type in me, right? Because at the end of the day, I believe, right, in building a real community where we help like 10,000 people, right? 10,000 people to make more money with AI, right? And to help 10,000 people, do you think Kingsley can do it alone? Okay, yes or no? Right? Do you think Kingsley can really do it alone? Right? And the answer is no, right? I don't think I can do it alone. But me, with your help, do you think we can do it together? Yes or no? Right? If you guys can do it, if you guys think we can work together, right, to help 10,000 people, right? Type in yes in the chat, right? So that's why I started Claude Malaysia. Okay, it's not only for me. I don't want to be like the only solo guru. I want to build like a real community, right? Eventually feature all of our members here, right? By what you guys do, by your industry, right? And then we can all make money together, right? So this is the vision, okay, of Claude Malaysia, right? So I want everyone to type in win-win in the chat, right? So I'm always trying to think like, hey, like how can I create something, right, where it's like a win-win situation, right? Where not only Kingsley win, but also my community win, but also the builders win, but also the affiliates win, but also the salespeople, the marketing people, the people who create content, like everyone win-win together, right? So this is my vision, all right, of building and starting Claude Malaysia. Now, obviously, we're actually very early in the process. Okay, we are about day number 75 in the process, right? But just give me some time, right? And trust me, all right, that I will structure something, okay, to make this happen, right? So the first step is just to get this website up. So now at least we have this website up, okay? So now let me just share with you what else has this website got, okay? So most of the time, people find us on our Instagram reel. So this is like just a simple diagram, right? You find us on Instagram, right? You get inside and you come and build together. And what else, right? So now you might be asking, hey, if Claude Malaysia is a community, then like what do you guys have? Online events, offline events, right? So we have online events just like this, right? So let me just click on the calendar here. Okay, so this is a bit advanced, right? And you guys probably won't build this right now, right? But I just want to show you like what's possible. Okay, like once you know this skill, right? What is possible to be built? Okay, so we have this events section, okay, that shows all of our upcoming and previous events. Okay, so for example, our next event is our Cashflow OS 2-day event. Okay, this event is not for everyone. All right, it's 28 and 29 of July. Okay, and you can see like all of our events here, right? From our 6 a.m. fitness clubs to our 2 days challenge, and also our past events, right? Our past events, right? Our 1-day Claude dashboard for CEOs, our past webinars, right? Our past builders spotlight, right? Where it's not just us, right? Like I don't want to be the only guy sharing what I built. I just want to see, hey, what have you built, right? How are you using it in your industry, in your work, right? Then we can inspire each other, right? So how many of you guys agree that you actually learn from learning how people use Claude in other industries, right? If you guys agree, right, type in yes in the chat. Okay. How many of you guys agree? Like you actually learn more when you actually see, oh, this is how medical industry do it. Oh, this is how property industry do it. Oh, this is how insurance industry use Claude, right? Like how many of you guys agree that when you see like different industries, you actually learn faster that way, right? So Amy says iron sharpen iron, right? Brilliant. So when we started the community, we actually ran quite a few of these sessions. I'm planning of either running one this week or next week, right? So the last one we ran was 3rd of June. So about 1 month back, okay, where we have a builder spotlight. All right. And also, yeah, we have like different online and offline sessions going on, right? So it's all beautifully, okay, featured here. So, okay, do you guys think it's beautiful or not? Okay. Like all of like the past events, they're all here, right? So it's not just like an event where it's just like, oh, you come and then you go and then like there's nothing, right? But now you can actually see, oh wow, okay, these are like all the events that happened previously. And also like there's a calendar view, right? So like there's a calendar view that also shows like, oh, okay, so okay, what are events you have in July, right? Oh, so July we have 6 a.m. fitness every Friday. Okay, and then on Sunday we last 2 Sundays we have this event, and then on next Tuesday, right, we have this event, right? So you can see like all of the events, right, in just this calendar, right? So today's Zoom, right, was a bit impromptu. Okay, I actually meant it to be like a one-on-one sharing session, but instead of doing like one-on-one, I was like, hey, you know what, like why don't I just share this with more people? All right, I just want to give free value, right? I just want to make sure, make sure I help, 10,000 Malaysians, right, to the best that I can, right? So that's why, hey, I thought, hey, why don't I just make this into a Zoom call? Okay, so and actually, when you even scroll down, I also have a section that says HRDC Claude claimable, right? So train your team on AI and claim it back with HRDC, right? So you can just type your name, right? Let's just say Kingsley, okay, and then which company are you with, right? So I just say test company, okay, and then what role do you have, right? So head of sales, right? Let's just say head of sales. What's the best email, right? Just say test@gmail.com. Okay, what's your WhatsApp number, right? 020, okay. And then, okay, so how many people you want to train? Let's just say 5, okay? So I'm the person in charge. So what's cool, when someone submits a website, okay, so when someone submits an inquiry, guess what, right? Now, my Telegram bot actually texts me, okay? Like, without me doing anything, right? My Telegram bot actually texts me like, hey, there's this new lead. Okay, his name is Kingsley. This is his phone number. He's from this company. He's the head of sales, right? How many of you guys think this is cool, right? If you guys think this is cool, right? Type in cool in the chat. Okay, so okay, instantly when someone submits an inquiry, I get a text by my Telegram bot. I say, oh, this person submits an inquiry already, right? So I can even pass this to one of my team members. I say, hey, team member, from now on, I don't want to handle any of this inquiry. You go and handle. Okay, also can, right? So I've integrated my Telegram here. Just a very simple automation. Yeah, what else? Yeah, what else do we have? Okay, so I just want to share like what else lah, right? I've built first, right? Before I show you guys how to do it. And then also, okay, just some member builds. So eventually later, I want to feature all of your builds on this website. Okay, that means, for example, if, I don't know, if Rebecca, right, built something cool for graphics design. Okay, I want to feature that here. if let's just say, if let's say DD, right, build something for real estate, all right, I want to feature it here. If let's just say, I don't know, Estelle, right, build something cool, all right, with Claude, then I will want to feature it here as well, right, because these are like our community creations that we can eventually like sell for as well, okay? So this is just an example. Okay, next time I will have a submit your build. Oh, okay, so you actually done this for me, right? Your name, your role, okay, what do you build, what does it do, okay, the link, okay, and stuff like that, okay? And then, okay, so actually all this is missing is just photos. Okay, I haven't had the time to do the photos. I've also added like a terms of service, right? So like our terms and conditions, right, of joining the Claude Malaysia community. Who are we, right? Also our refund policy, our privacy policy, right? It's all here. Okay. So yeah, so this is like the terms and conditions, lah, right, of joining our free community. Okay, all right. So okay, so we've done this, right? So what is your favorite part of the website so far? Okay, let me know in the chat. Like, okay, before I even move to the branding section, all right, like I just want to know, like based on what you see here, like what is your favorite part of the work of Claude Malaysia's website so far? All right. What is your favorite part? Okay, so JHI says design is clean. Okay, Alaric says colors. Okay. Okay, what else? What else do you guys like about this website so far? Just curious. Okay, let me know. Okay, Amy says pleasing to the eyes. Okay. Okay, so this was okay, so Steve says nice design and good structure, flow, easy to read and understand. Elaine says, okay, the moving animation. Okay, Isa says easy to read, text hierarchy. Okay, yeah, right. Like the font sizing, the font pairing, right? And if you guys have designed websites manually, like you know how hard is it sometimes to get the font pairing right, right? That means this font and this font, does it go well together or not? Right? If you guys have designed manually before, like you know like how hard this process is, okay? So Grace says clean and nice flow. Okay, thank you, thank you. ASH says neat and not cluttered. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so I think a lot of you guys love the design. Now actually before I built this website, before I build this website, I was actually doubting. I was like, hey, can Claude do a nice design, nice color for me that I like or not? Because I'm a very attention to detail person and I'm a very particular person. So when I knew this, right, and previously, right, if you were to, hire a designer or something, they will all come out with like a brand style first, right? So everyone type in brand style. Okay, so everyone type in the chat brand style, right? Actually, before you even come out with a full website, what you want to do is you want to come out with like a brand style first, right? Your style meaning your fonts, your colors, your details, your logo, like just your whole style first, right? So so now you see the finished product. Okay, now let me show you the brand system, okay, which is the brand style. Okay, so I actually got Claude to design this first. Okay, so so I mean after this I will just send you guys the links anyway. All right, so this is claudemalaysia.com/brand. Okay, and this is the single source of truth for our logo, our color, our text, our voice, our merch, right? If next time we want to sell merch, t-shirts, I don't know, swags and stuff like that, all right? We must follow a certain brand guideline. Because if you don't have a brand guideline, your colors, your fonts, your logos, everything will just run away, right? That's why we have this brand guideline. So what does a brand guideline have, right? So number one, okay, the mission, right? So you can see, okay, 10,000 Malaysians making more money with AI, 100 at a time, okay? And okay, so first of all, is our logo. So we actually have a community. What is this? We had a community competition. Okay, so I think about 2 months ago we had a competition. I just put it in a WhatsApp chat and I'm like, "Hi guys, we need a new logo. We don't want to use the Anthropic logo, but we want our own Malaysian logo. So then we had a competition where within like one day, right, people just make their Claude Malaysia logo design and post it in our WhatsApp group. Then we just vote for that design. Okay, so that means even our logo actually came from the community, right? Okay, so it's like a Malaysia flag with a crescent and this thing, right? Okay, that's inspired, okay, by the Anthropic logo. So this one was done by ChatGPT Image 2.0 and our community members made it. So I don't know what's the exact prompt, but it went ahead and did the branding for like our logos, right? So full color, mono ink, black and white, and also like a stamp style. Okay, so it did all of this, like, I don't know, like okay, thing that make it look so clean and professional. It also did like the different lockups. So if it were to be horizontal, oh, this is how it would look like if it's horizontal. Oh, stack, like, top and bottom, this is how it will look like. And it even went ahead and did this Claude Malaysia, the eye, okay, it changed to like a star, okay, which I thought was quite cute, that it had its own personality. And also it made its own word mark, okay, like this, its own mnemonic system, okay. So full disclosure, I'm not a designer. I have no idea what mnemonic system means, right? But through speaking with the graphics designer, right, then I was like, oh, okay, this is called mnemonic style. So I was like, okay, I just told Claude I want a mnemonic style. And he just gave me a mnemonic style. Okay, he gave me like our brand colors, okay, from white to orange to gray. Okay, like all of this stuff, right? So okay, from typography. So this font is called Francis. This font is called Henken. Okay, and this font is called IBM. Okay, so it's like, so how many of you can see, like, once you have this brand guidelines, that any designer or anyone who's creating content can actually follow your brand style, right? How many of you guys agreed this now? Like, you have a lock-in brand style already. Okay. And if you don't have this, right? If you don't have this, then your one person might use this font, the other person might use this font, some merch use this font, and it's just very messy, right? Okay. And also art direction. So it even gave us some merch, if we were to make some merch, how it would look like. Okay. And then I totally like Supreme. Okay, so how many of you guys know Supreme? Supreme logo. Okay, okay, I just give you an idea. I was like, hey, I like this idea. Okay, Supreme. So give me something like this. Okay, so it gave me a Supreme style. Okay, Claude Malaysia merch. Okay, and then it made for me like some t-shirts, laying up member tags, stickers, right? That okay looks. Oh, okay, this actually looks quite nice. Okay, and then even a monogram. So how many of you guys know what's a monogram? It's like a LV. Okay, it's like a LV monogram. Monogram. Okay. So how many of you guys have seen this before? The LV monogram. If you guys have seen this, type in yes in the chat. Okay. Oh, so Yusri says it's not just a star, it's the Gemini logo. That's funny. Okay. It's like Claude, but has a Gemini logo. Okay. So yeah, so I even told it, I was like, hey, why don't Claude Malaysia have his own monogram? And then it did its own monogram as well, right? So then it did its own the Salat canvas, right? The Salat canvas with its own monogram design. Okay. So how many of you guys think this is cool, right? Like, this looks like damn premium, right? Like, I can make a bag out of this now. Okay, it's called the Salat canvas. Okay. If I were to make a bag called the Salat canvas, like, how many of you want to buy? Okay. And if I told you it was 10,000 ringgit, right? The Salat canvas. Okay, who wants to buy a handbag like this? Okay. So yeah, so I was like, wow, I was like mind blown because I've never seen Claude design before, right? And he designed my members card, right? So imagine Claude Malaysia CM members card. Okay, it looks like this. our own seal. Okay, looks like this, right? And I was like, wow, I was like, okay, I've never seen this before. Okay. So, okay, so now that you guys have gone through, okay, and you know what's the best part? Okay, now that we are all building with Claude, right? Can you see down here, it even made something called the asset kit. Okay, so now you might ask, Kingsley, what is the asset kit? So if I click on this, it brings me to a new tab where this is the design tokens bracket JSON. Okay, that means these are all of the complicated code, right? Like these are all of the complicated design code that is going on in the background that I have no idea what is it doing. Okay, I have no idea what this is. But anytime next time, if I just want to start a new design, if I want to just copy this design, I just copy this, I paste it into Claude Code, and Claude Code understand this design already. Okay, how many of you guys get this? Okay, if you guys get this, type in code in the chat. Okay, if you guys understand that this code is the design language, okay, type in code in the chat. Like everything that I have here, including the fonts, the design, like everything here, you know, I can just copy here, right? And Claude will actually understand that, oh, this is the design that Kingsley is using. And if I want to follow a similar design, I can just copy and paste this, right? So this has, okay, let me just zoom in, right? This has all of the colors. So you see paper, right? FFA, F2, right? This is the color. F2, EB, blah, 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 right? And this is the honey color. This is the sage color. This is the font, right? Francis, Georgia, Times New Roman, Serif, Roll, right? And these are the fonts, right? 8px, 13px, 20px, XL is 28px, right? So yeah, right? So see, like code can design also, right? So I see Afik says awesome, okay, JHI says code, DD says code, okay, Elaine says code, okay, Amy says code, okay, Steve says code, okay, Isai says code, okay, EDC says code, okay, thank you. So now, all right, I know you guys actually came here to build something with me, all right, not just to listen to Kingsley talk, right? So I believe like most of the brands, right, like the first thing that you need is probably a website, okay? So that's why I thought, hey, why don't I just, teach you guys how to build a website for free, right? So how many of you guys here, okay, are ready to build a website with me now, like on the session, okay? If you guys are ready, okay, type in ready in the chat. Okay, if you guys want me to share like the templates and you guys are ready, okay, type in ready in the chat. Okay, awesome. I see Elaine says ready, okay, Rebecca says ready, okay, Chris says ready, okay, Nancy says ready, JHI says ready, okay, SH says ready, okay, Steve says ready, Didi says ready, okay, ready, ready, ready. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so now, okay, I've created a template, okay, here that you guys can start with, okay? So okay, so firstly, I'm just gonna walk you guys through what this template is before I share it with you. Okay, so can you guys see this? If you guys can see this, okay, just type in 1 in the chat. If you guys can see this, so I know that you guys can see this. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is the beginner PDF guide. Okay, and like I said, right, we want to start with the brand system first. Okay, you want to get the brand system correct first, only you go and build the website. Okay, if you don't have a brand system, you simply go and build a website. Okay, then your brand might run later. Okay, so this is the brand system that we're going to build first. Okay, so what we're about to, okay, so what you need is you need Claude Code and okay, so now here, okay, you actually see some black color parts. Okay, so if number 1, you've installed Claude Code already, I believe most of you guys have installed. Okay, then just come to the second step, which is get the brand kit and install the skill. Okay, so later I will share this with you, and the first prompt is just git clone. Okay, that means from GitHub, clone this. Okay, so this is just very basic GitHub. All right, it's just git clone. Okay, git clone this link. Okay, that means I've already created this GitHub link for you, right? With the documents, with the examples, with the skills, with the brands, right? And I'm just giving this to you for free. Okay, like I'm just giving this to you for free, okay, from my GitHub. Okay, so you'll get my color system, my type system, my logo system, right? The brand book website and the downloadable PDF for the whole guide, right? So it's just free, right? I just want to give you this for free. And all you need to do, right, is later when you come here, okay, like you just copy this git clone in your Claude Code, and then you can just install this skill straight away, right? And then you can just type /brand, okay? So this is how it will get started. And then how it works is that it will then interview you, okay? Okay, and then you will type /brand, and then it will interview you. So it will interview you, right? What is your brand name called? Okay, then you type in, oh, my brand name is called Claude Fitness, for example. Okay, so what does Claude Fitness do? Oh, we help people who are addicted to Claude Code to get fit. And what about the feeling? Oh, I like green color, I like blue color, I feel like I'm floating in the sky. Okay, what colors do you want? Oh, I want blue color, I want pink color, right? So you just tell it, it will interview you, and after it interview you, it will go ahead and make your, it will like generate something like this for your own brand for you. Okay, now now since you guys are ready, okay, let me just share this in the chat. Okay, let me just share this in the chat. And can I also have Rebecca, okay, to turn on your mic and your cameras as well? All right, so I'll be coaching Rebecca. Okay, since Rebecca is one of our paid students, all right, so I'll be actually coaching her, okay, step by step, how to install this, okay, because she's a complete newbie, and then we'll just do this together with Rebecca. Okay, if that's okay, okay, type in okay in the chat. Okay, we'll just do this along together with Rebecca. If it's okay, okay, just type in okay with the chat. Okay, so brand kit PDF guide. Okay, so I just pasted this in the chat. Okay, Rebecca, can you confirm that you've got it? And if you have, okay, go ahead and share your screen. Then we will begin on your side. Can you hear me, Rebecca?
Yeah, I can hear you. I will just switch to my laptop in a while.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, are you already on your laptop?
I'm
Or how
on
long do
my
you need?
just a second, yeah. I just turn it on.
Okay. So next time, right, if you want to come to my sessions, right, on Zoom, okay, make sure you come on a laptop. Okay, no iPads, no phones, right? Because I'm showing up on a laptop, okay? I wish I was just sitting on a sofa, okay, doing this coaching session, but no, I'm on a laptop. So yeah, you have to be equally committed as well, okay, when you join these type of sessions, okay? So okay, I've just dropped the PDF link, okay, in the chat. Okay, while waiting for Rebecca, okay, I hope it doesn't take too long. Okay. What else do I want?
Recording in progress.
Okay. All right. Okay, I see you, Rebecca Narcissus. Okay, second Rebecca join. Okay, I just mute you. Thank you. Okay, so in the moment, do you guys have any questions, thoughts, comments, right, that I can answer you guys first? Okay, while we are waiting, okay, Rebecca to set up. Any questions, thoughts, comments so far, right? Just want to take a pause, right? And okay, get any questions, thoughts, comments so far? Okay, everyone, okay, clear. If everyone is clear, okay, type in clear in the chat. Oh, okay, everyone says clear. Okay, thank you. Okay, so for the rest of you guys, okay, just get ready, okay, Claude Code, okay, on your desktop. All right, and again, when you open the PDF, okay, scroll down here, okay, to number 2, and just copy this, okay, git clone this. Okay, just copy this like the first prompt. Okay, Nisa says, Nisa here, what is this, Kingsley? So this is my GitHub that you can clone to build your branding pack. So all you have to do, okay, is in your new Claude session, in your new Claude Code session, all right, just copy this git clone, https github.com/kingsley123/brandkit/git. All right, just copy this and paste it in your Claude Code. Because, okay, do you guys know what is a GitHub? Okay, who knows what is GitHub? In a simple term, okay, who knows what is GitHub? Okay, let me know in the comments. Who knows what is GitHub in a simple term? Who can explain what is GitHub in a simple term? Okay, I'm here to test the room and quiz the room, okay, or while we're waiting for Rebecca as well. Okay, Rebecca, whenever you're ready, okay, just let me know.
Okay, I'm ready. I've already turned on Claude.
Okay, and can you share your screen?
Okay.
Okay, so Kelly says cloud backup. Okay, good. Okay, yes, it's a cloud backup, Kelly. Okay, Chris says it's like a Google Drive for codecs. For codes, yes, Chris, bingo. Okay, you got it right. So it's just like a Google Drive, okay, where we can upload
Ivan.
stuff to the Google Drive.
这样子写的吗？
Okay, oh, okay, Ken,
Is
I can
that
see
is that
your Ken. Rebecca,
Yeah.
we need Claude Code actually, not the
Claude Code?
yeah.
Where
Have you
do I
done?
how do I find that?
Oh, okay. I didn't realize that you haven't downloaded Claude Code on your desktop. Okay,
Oh, I
you
have
need
to download Claude Code first.
Yes.
How do I download that? Claude Code?
Yeah, literally just go to okay, you can just search like download Claude Code on Windows.
Okay.
Yeah.
是吗？
Yeah.
是这个。
Are you doing it on the screen or
Okay.
okay, so usually when I do this, in our physical workshops, sometimes there might be stuff that you have to download first, in order to get this working. Okay. Okay, so I actually got the wrong Rebecca. Okay, I
Okay.
just never mind. I just realized that the Rebecca that I was speaking to didn't manage to come. All right, that's why I was like, oh, okay, like okay, but never mind. Okay, we can still continue. Or maybe can we have someone who already has Claude Code
Yeah,
installed
maybe you can give to
just to
someone first.
volunteer for that session? Yeah. 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 Okay. Can you stop sharing?
Okay.
Can you stop sharing? Okay. Can we have someone who's already got Claude Code installed? To share our screen. Anyone wants to volunteer? Anyone wants to volunteer? All right. Okay. So Steve. Okay. Steve. Come share our screen.
Okay, sure.
Let's do this, Steve. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have the okay? Okay, good. Now all you need to do, Steve, is because you've came to our workshop before, so you don't need to reinstall all this again. You just go to the PDF, all right, the PDF number 3, on page number 3. Steve, are you there?
Okay, yeah, sure. Can you repeat? Go to
The PDF on page number 3. Okay, and just
PDF page
and just
number
copy
3.
this git clone https github.
Uh,
No, like my PDF. Yeah.
okay.
Okay. You see number 1, git
Okay.
clone https. Okay, no, number 2. Number 2. Do you see this or not? Download the kit. The first command.
This one.
Yes. Git clone. Yes, copy this whole thing.
Okay.
Okay, now go back to Claude Code.
Okay.
Okay. And then paste this.
Okay.
And then I will change to Opus 4.8 medium. Maybe just medium. Yeah, or high.
4.8.
Yeah, medium. Yeah, I think medium should be good enough
Okay.
for this.
This one medium.
Yep. Okay. And then you can change to yeah, and then you just click enter.
Okay.
Okay, so now Steve is cloning my file, okay, on GitHub. Okay, Steve is literally cloning my Google Drive, right? And for those of you guys, right, who are watching this, okay, just do this together with me and Steve. Okay, because Steve is like a beginner as well. It's his first time doing this. Okay, so okay, we will do this together. Okay, so don't just look at Steve. Okay, I want you to open the PDF, do this on the computer with me. Okay. If any questions,
Okay.
okay, just ask in the Zoom chat. Okay, always allow.
Always along.
Yeah. Okay. So now, Steve, because you are on accept edits mode, correct? So now it will always ask you a lot of questions.
Okay.
So if you don't want it to ask you questions, how? Okay, click on click on the accept edits, okay, on the middle left. Click on the accept edits, the mode.
Okay.
Click on auto. Okay, enable auto mode. Okay, and just click continue. Just type continue in the continue. Okay, and just press allow once first. Okay, so now it's just checking. Okay, boom. So now it cloned successfully. And then, okay, and then what's the second prompt on the PDF? Okay, make the skills folder. Okay, so yeah, just copy that second command. Okay, now just okay, paste this. So now the brand skill is now installed here. Okay, nice. And what is the third step? Okay. Okay, let's just install this as well. Okay, so don't ask me what is all this technical code. I'm not sure. I don't know. Okay. But it's just something that this thing needs to run code with, right? Okay, so now you're installing a skill. Okay, so everyone type in the chat skill. Okay, now actually what are you doing, right? You are installing a skill. Okay, now what is a skill? Who knows what is a skill in a very simple term? Okay, who knows what is a skill in a very, very simple term? Skill, ability. Okay, usury. No, right? So maybe if you came to my workshop, okay, you will know what's a skill. Okay, skill is an automated SOP. Okay, so everyone type in the chat. Skill equals automated SOP. Okay, skill equals automated SOP. Okay, type in the chat so that you are learning with me. Okay, Chris says skill equals automated SOP. Okay, Amy says skill equals automated SOP. Okay, so now, okay, Steve, do you see the slash brand? So can you just type in slash on your keyboard? Slash brand, BRAND. Brand, right? No, not all these brand guidelines, right? But just type in slash brand, right? And okay, now let's look again at the PDF. What did the PDF say? Because I told the PDF to give instruction. Okay, let's scroll down to number 3. Okay, so now, okay, now inside Claude, just type slash brand. So now Claude will interview you like a real designer. Okay, so now you just type slash brand and hit enter in your Claude Code. No, it's jumped to security review, yeah. Okay. Okay, so now you're typing slash brand. Okay, so now it's gonna say, I'm gonna build you a complete brand identity. Question 1, the name. So Steve, are you building for an actual brand, or do you have like any brand you want to do right now?
Then can use my company, the Convert
Sure,
Mission.
sure.
So,
Yep, just type in confirmation. So this is asking you what's your company name.
okay.
Okay, enter. Okay. Oh, and it says what it does and who it's for. So you have to answer the
Oh, okay.
yeah. So now okay, it's asking question number 2 in one sentence. What does convert mission do and who is it for? Okay, luckily Steve came to our workshop before, so he's got his Claude Code set up correctly before. Okay. Okay, who else is doing this together with Steve? Okay, type in yes in the chat. Like who else is also building this brand kit at the same time? Type in yes in the chat. Oh, awesome. Chris says yes. Okay, Rebecca says yes. Okay, great. Okay, Huda says yes. Okay, JHI says yes. Okay. So okay, yeah, let's work on this. And then later, okay, if you guys have built this already, okay, just share it in our Claude Malaysia WhatsApp group, right? Just to share with other people who didn't join, right? What you've done on this call. Okay. So now he asks you, right? When a feeling lands on convert mission, what should they feel? This is for you to answer, Steve.
Okay, sure. Can answer a few or one. All right.
Okay, so now you're asking it for the fonts, right? Oh, recommend for me. You do, okay. Okay, so if you want, you can use a high resolution image and paste it inside if you already have your logo.
Uh, if don't have, just ask them to design or what?
Um, so Claude is not so good in designing images, but what I usually tell Claude to do is give me the prompts to generate this in ChatGPT.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's how I usually work with it. Um, for now, you can either do 1 or 2. It's up to you.
Sim-
2, okay. Okay, this one is up to you. Oh, so you want to use the monogram. Okay. Okay, after this, for the logo, I would just tell it, hey, make me a prompt for me to generate this in ChatGPT. Okay. So, okay, now 2 small confirmations. If you're okay, I think just type okay in the chat. Okay, so this is a skill, right? So how many of you guys noticed that this is an SOP? that I've already done for Steve. Right? That means, okay, as I'm doing this, right? Jaysha is doing this, Rebecca is doing this, Chris is doing this, right? Like, hey, Huda is doing this, right? You guys are all doing this together. And it's from this SOP that I made. Right? So can you guys see how powerful is this automated SOP? How powerful is this skill?
The skill you generated in the AI as well, right?
Yes. So basically, after I done my whole brand template and everything, only after I'm done, then I say, hey, just turn this into a skill.
Okay.
Yeah. So anyone can create skills as long as you have something that you've already built and you want someone else to build the same, then okay, you can just ask it to build a skill for you. Okay, now it's just taking some time. Okay, brand kit repository setup. Okay, what about the rest? How's everyone doing? Okay, how's JHI, okay, Rebecca, Chris, right? Are you guys done or is everyone still loading as well? It's like this, right? Ah, I see. So I think it just needed to make sure that, this Note 24 NPM Git Versal is computer. So I think it's just installing some stuff on your computer, Steve. So FYI, all these Note 24, NPM 11, Git, like this is the code that does a bit of animation. All right, like if you saw my website just now, right, there was some animation. So this is the code that does the animation. Oh, Nisa also doing. Okay, great, Nisa. Okay, so it does take quite some time. Okay, but it's gonna be worth it. Okay, doing your design system is gonna be worth it. Alvin Teo, to use Claude Code, we have to pay for Claude subscription. Yes, Alvin, you have to pay for Claude subscription. Minimum is the $17 pro plan. I myself, I pay $200 a month to Claude. I'm on the max plan. And it's totally worth it because I only have one team member. I don't have any other team member. And I'm running like a 5-figure a month, six-figure a month business. So it's definitely worth it. Okay, for the amount of things that Claude can do for me. So it's like, if you say like, oh, 100 ringgit or $17 is expensive, like expensive compared to what, right? Compared to what? An intern, right? An intern that doesn't know what to do, that takes MC, that takes leave, right? That you still have to waste your time to teach this intern, or this you still have to waste your time to teach this freelancer what to do. But instead now, okay, Alvin says, I'm sold, paying now, let's go. Love that, Alvin, okay? I'm sold, paying now. Love that. Yeah, you're basically having the smartest person on earth right now, which is AI, right? Who else is smarter than AI? Tell me, who else is smarter than AI? Okay, Steve, let's click on always allow. Right, there's nobody in the world that's smarter than AI right now. AI is the smartest already. If you know how to use it, right? Oh, even with a template, it does take quite some time. Interesting. I remember when I first did this, it probably took me like 1 hour plus 2 hours, I think. But now with the template, I hope to shortcut it for you, right? So everyone type in the chat shortcut, right? Because I've done it before, so I'm trying to shortcut it for you, right? Make your life easy. Help you to get there as fast as you can. Okay, so it's taking its time to do all. Okay, so Elaine says shortcut. Thank you.
Kingsley,
Yes.
I have already come to number 3, instruction number 3. After that, it has got two things. One is saying cloud, and another one is saying brand. Which one that after that I have to use? Brand?
You wanna share do you wanna share your screen, Isa? Yeah. Yeah, maybe Steve, you can temporarily stop sharing first. I'll come back to you. Yeah, Nisa,
Okay.
I'll go ahead and share your screen so I know where you're at.
Okay. Can see this?
Yes.
I have come until this, but your PDF
Yep.
is saying this. It's saying Claude, and then only brand after this one.
Okay. Okay,
So
so
should I
now
go Claude first or straight away go brand?
you can type /brand.
Okay.
Nisa, I recommend changing to Opus 4.6 medium because even on high it's taking a long time.
Go
Yeah,
for
like
Opus.
4.8. If you can go medium, I think that will save some time on this.
How do I go medium?
Okay, so now you say high, right? Opus 4.8 high, correct?
Yep.
So you click on high, click on the
Click
word
on.
high.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Change this to like medium, which is to the left.
To the left. Okay. Oh, okay. Got it.
Okay, now you click enter.
Okay. Unknown brand.
Okay, means you didn't install this skill correctly.
Can I show from the top?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. This is the first one. I got this. And then this is the second one.
Mm-hmm.
He asked me, want me to go ahead with to do that. I said yes. And then came to this. And then I gave
Okay.
the third one.
Okay.
And then this is the last one.
Brand is a recognized command here. Some commands may work, but it worked for Steve just now, right?
Yeah, it worked for Steve.
Okay, so you got thing says, hi Nisa, maybe you can try to close Claude app and open it again. Okay, yeah, maybe we can try that.
Okay.
Is this Claude Code?
Yeah. I
Okay.
even downloaded.
Okay, yeah. Maybe just I
Okay,
see,
this
okay.
is the one, right? Cloud
Yes, correct.
Code.
Okay, yep. Try to type /brand again and see what happens. /brand.
Slash brand.
Brand, yep. And just enter again. Okay. No, it's typing /security review now. Yeah, just change to /brand. /brand.
Slash
Brand. Yep, and just click enter. Unknown command. Okay, like this, then okay, can you just scroll up a little bit just to make sure you installed it correctly?
Okay. Go up.
Okay, git clone. Okay. Okay, now you download the skills for you. Okay, yes, scroll down. Okay, it's got the skill. Okay, scroll down.
I didn't see this with Steve. And I answered yes.
Okay, yeah, because different people computer is different. Like for
Oh,
me,
okay.
I might have installed all of this before already, right? But for your computer, it might be like the full time, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so Rebecca says Git is required for local session. Yes, Rebecca, you need to install Git. And for all of our paid workshop participants, we make sure everyone install Git before we start. So, okay, scroll down. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down.
So it is created 6 files, which is correct, right?
Yep. Okay, maybe if you can just maybe close and reopen. I don't know if this will help.
Just close totally.
Yeah, just close and try to reopen
Exit.
and just see
Okay.
what happens. Yeah.
Download again, huh?
No, just open the Cloud desktop again. Like it's already installed, right, on your computer?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, just launch it again. Alvin. Okay. Alvin says, just wanted to say I paid 3K to someone to design a website for me. Came out rubbish. Got 2 other quotes for 5K for a template, 10K for custom. But I'm not really convinced yet. Wasted 3K. Now I'm glad able to learn and can actually do it myself. Yes, Alvin, this is the whole point. Okay, just be patient with me, okay, Alvin, okay. And by the way, right, this session ends at 10 p.m. Yeah, and it's just a free coaching session, right? Just because I want to give you guys value. Uh, yeah, Nisa, can you just try to open the code again? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now let's.
Can I start from here then?
Okay, why don't like this? Why don't you just upload this whole PDF into your Claude Code? Okay, so listen to me, Nisa. You open your Claude Code.
Uh-huh.
Open your Claude Code. Okay, and then
Plus.
bottom, okay, next to the auto, okay, you see plus, right? Add. Click on
Yeah.
add files, and then just throw the whole PDF inside. Okay, click on open. Okay, now you just say install this skill for me. Okay, this should fix it. What about Steve? Steve, where are you right now? Just want to check on Steve.
I show the branding PDF. Still running, and then
Still running. Okay.
there is field to locate Chrome each on window.
Okay. Lisa, maybe you wanna stop sharing first, and then Steve can
Okay,
share.
okay.
All right. So disclaimer: this is my first time running this this branding skill. All right. Yeah. Usually for our yeah. Oh, done. So Steve, is done the convert mission brand for you? Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe let's turn this into full screen so that everyone on the call can
All right, sure.
see. Okay, wait. Now, okay, let's start from the top. Okay, one,
Okay.
two, okay. Oh, okay, let's go down. Oh, now you got your whole branding done, right? All your colors. Okay, scroll down more. Okay, the mark. Okay, you even got your logo. Nice. Okay, one system.
Still,
Nice.
I think still ongoing because the system is still running, right?
Yeah, and you did this in how long? In the last 30
It is in
minutes.
how long?
Right? In like the last 30 minutes.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah,
Awesome,
correct.
Steve. Okay, yeah. So from here, you can just edit it however you want already. Like if you say, hey, I want a monogram, I want my fonts to be this way, you know, like you can just tell it, I want to change the fonts.
Mm.
All right. Anyone
What is
else?
this? It doesn't matter, right? This one.
Okay, let me just read this. Zoom crop isn't supported. Okay, so for me, what I asked my Claude Code to do is after it's done designing, I asked my Claude Code to open it on Google Chrome, take a screenshot, and check your own work for me. So I think it may have followed the
just instruct here, right?
no, like what do you want to change, Steve?
No, no, I just wanted this one.
I see.
Is there something I need to do, or can
Oh,
just ignore this?
yeah, I think you can just ignore lah.
Okay.
It's not a
So
it's not
anything
a
I
big
want
issue.
to change, I just instruct here, right? For example,
Yep.
the logo, I want another style, then maybe I just upload some of the style which I find online, let
Yep.
them as reference. Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
All
If
right.
you if you find styles that you like, you can just upload as a reference
Okay.
and tell it to make it for you.
All right.
Right. And then Steve, one more thing that you can do if you want to, you know, send this to client is you can just ask it to deploy this on Vercel.
Okay.
Okay. Then you can have it as a link to be sent to a client.
Okay.
Because
Alright.
now it's just local host on your laptop. Do you
Yep.
see that?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. What about Nisa? How's Nisa's side going? Okay, all good. Nisa, you wanna share your screen just for me to check on you?
I'll share now.
Okay.
Good news.
Okay. Okay, boom. See, question number 1 of 6, the name. So it's asking you, okay, so uploading the PDF solve the problem. Just say install this skill for me. And then, right, and then it says run skill / brand. So you still run the skill in the end. So, okay, yeah, just go ahead and answer the questions, and then it will give you something at the end. Okay.
Okay.
So now since it's 9:20, all right, anyone else got their branding done? If you guys done your branding, type in done in the chat, or if it's still loading, okay, just type in loading. Okay, if it's done, all right, you guys can type in done in the chat. Who else is doing this branding thing at the same time? Who else is doing this branding thing at the same time? Oh, okay. So Chris says loading. Okay, JHI says loading. Okay. Okay. Dan says cool setup Git repo for training. Good stuff. You're helping a lot of people shortcut so many steps to achieve this. It's a design system, brand kit, and website design. You're giving away a full simplified class that businesses can adopt easily. The full flow of brand design and the website has more loops and hoops to go through. Yes, correct, Dan. Thank you. Yes, it definitely has a lot more to go through, but this is just like the basics, right? And I know if I can just show you the basics, you will want to learn more, right? Okay, so Rebecca says doing, but still stuck at the Git installation. Okay, so Rebecca, Git installation. Okay, usually I have a video that I send to people who come to our paid workshops, and we help people to install that as well. Okay, so actually before we so how many of you guys actually got value here so far, right? I know it's about 9:19. All right, maybe we got about 30, 40 more minutes, right? But how many of you guys got value here so far? If you guys got value, all right, type in value in the chat. Okay, like just, in this, 1.5 hour, right? How many of you guys got value, right? Just by seeing, okay, how we use Claude, how I guide people to get their whole branding system, right? If you guys got value, okay, type in value in the chat, okay? Okay, thanks. I see Steve says value, DD says value, okay, JHI says value, okay, Ernie says value, okay. So is it okay if I share with you guys, right, my 1-day workshop, right? So I know, like, some of you guys, like Rebecca, right, you guys are stuck with just installing it on your laptop, right? So is it okay if I share with you our 1-day workshop that's coming up in August? Okay, if it's okay, just type in okay in the chat. Okay, if it's okay, just type in okay in the chat. Okay, so DD says okay, Rebecca says okay, Chris says okay, okay, Steve says okay, JI says okay. Okay, thank you. So let me just quickly share with you, okay, what's going on August. Okay, because this is our next workshop, right, where we help you to set this style of stuff up. So let me just open the link for you. Okay, so and who wants like early bird tickets? Okay, if you guys want like early bird tickets at early bird prices, okay, type in the chat early bird. Okay, like really early bird prices, okay, that's special for the first 10 tickets. And then after the 10 tickets, the prices will go up by 50 ringgit, until the ticket sells out, right? So this is like really early bird pricing, right? So like, okay, and okay, to be honest, it's not expensive, right? But I just want to show you what you will get. So this is a beginner class, okay, called Claude Dashboard for CEOs and Head of Departments, right? So if you think today here, right, Kingsley, what am I looking at? What is a skill, huh? What is an AI agent? Or what is a dashboard? Like, how can I build, like just simple stuff like that, right? Then I want to invite you to come to our Claude dashboard, okay, for CEOs and head of departments, okay, and it's on 8th of August, Saturday. Okay, so maybe now you can pull up your calendars, pull out your phone, check, are you free, right, on 8th August, Saturday, from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, so it's a full day workshop, and tickets, okay, start at $297 for general, and it's about 500 plus for VIP. Okay, so what are you gonna get in person workshop? Okay, this is in person. Okay, so we help you to set up Claude Code on your computer, go through the step by step, okay, with you as a beginner. Okay, so what will you get? Okay, you will get a hands-on build. Okay, yeah, Nisa, I will share. I will just let me walk this through. Okay, so in 5 hours, you will have your own AI agent team, a dashboard, and no more excuses. Right? Yes, this is Chong. Okay, so Chong Pui Wah. This is actually the beginner class. Okay, this is a 101 class. Okay, this is the real beginner class. I don't know why, maybe the title scare you off, but this is my real beginner class where we will actually have facilitators, right, to help you click by click. Okay, and here's the 5 things that you will learn. Okay, first thing, what is a Claude.md file? Right, so remember just now the skill file that you saw. right? The /brand skill, that is the Claude.md, okay, your AI brain. Number 2, you actually learn skills, right? What is a skill? Your automated SOP, just like how Steve, okay, used his branding skill, okay, to build his brand in 30 minutes, okay? You also learn what is an MCP, how to connect the different tools that you use in the Claude, how to connect your Canva, how to connect your Outlook, how to connect your Gmail, how to connect your calendar, your CRM, okay, your Google Drive, okay? And also what is an AI agent, right? How can Claude help you to do AI agent, right? So, okay, we will also teach this in the workshop. And by the end of the workshop, you are guaranteed to leave with a dashboard. Okay, this is the beginner class, okay, that you are literally guaranteed to leave with a dashboard. Okay, so okay, so now you have two options. Okay, adapt, okay, build with Claude, or option number 2 is to get left behind, right? Because everyone's going to use Claude and Codex starting now. So if you don't use Claude, you're going to be left behind. Okay, so VIP, you get my carousel skill that got 73,000 views with the exact Claude skill we are teaching inside the workshop. Okay, so only VIPs will get this skill. Okay, so you see this post that I made, Claude designed the structure, Claude wrote the copy, and Claude even posted this thing for me. And it got 73,000 views, 600 likes, 200 comments, like 900 shares, right? Okay, and before you think, oh, Kingsley, you can do it because you're a big influencer, right? No, okay, my account only has 2,200 followers, and one of my posts can go 73,000 views. Okay, so what if I can show you how to do the same? Okay, would this be worth at least a 1-month graphic designer salary or not? Okay, guys, how much is a 1-month graphic designer salary? Okay, is it 3,000? Right? Is it 4,000 ringgit? Right? So Chris says 4,000 ringgit, right? So for the VIP, I will give you this skill, okay, that can replace your graphic designer. Okay, for only 500 ringgit for the VIP ticket, I'll give you this skill that you can replace your graphic designer. Good or not good? Okay, and this is also the only Claude workshop in KL right now that we have facilitators to help you step by step, okay, click by click. That means you are going to come, it's going to be one group, small group of 6 people, right? That means you and 6 other people in one group, and our team is going to help you click by click, right? So anytime you don't know, you just raise your hand and they'll help you click by click, right? So this is the only Claude workshop in Malaysia that has 6-to-1 facilitator ratio now, right? So we got 68 plus Google reviews, right? Thanks, Taisiu, right? Okay, so yeah, so this is okay. So only for tonight, okay, there'll be an early bird rate, okay, of 297 for general, and then 547 for VIP, right? So this is the early bird rate only for tonight. And once the first 10 tickets sells out, it will move on, it will plus 50 ringgit more, right? So it'll be more expensive by 50 ringgit, and then expensive by 50 ringgit until we sell out the ticket, okay? So this is how it works, okay? So Nisa asked, hands-on carousel skills or template only? So Nisa, this is a hands-on carousel thing, right? So in fact, one of our participants, he had like during lunch, right? During lunch, he did the carousel already. Okay. Yeah, so during lunch, you will already do the carousel and you can post it after that. Okay. So Kelly asked, can I join the cash flow too? Kelly, cash flow is more advanced. If you're more advanced, okay, just drop me a text or just ask me in the group, right? I will share with you more advanced cash flow stuff later. So Ty asked, do you have any beginner workshop in September? Okay. Yes, just keep in touch in the WhatsApp group, right? So okay, so if you guys are ready for early bird, all right, okay, type in the chat ready. Okay, if you guys are ready to get the early bird ticket, okay, type in the chat ready in the chat. All right, so get your early bird tickets and save RM 100 now. Okay, so get your early birds tickets and save RM 100 now compared to public pricing. Okay, so I'll just give you guys 5 minutes, okay, to check out. And then we will come back to the last part where I will help Steve, okay, to actually deploy like a website, okay, using Claude Code. Okay, so I'll give you guys 5 minutes. 5 minutes begins now. So I will just play this for you, okay? 5
I'm
minutes.
attending Claude Malaysia's first workshop to build something, and you're coming with me.
Honestly, I had no idea what I was going to build. I've been testing Claude for about a month and a half, but my output has been pretty meh. Today is all about fixing that. We are diving into Markdown, Skills, MCP, and AI agents. Sounds pretty basic, but I bet half of you are wondering what that even means. Just when I was about to start building, Claude hits me with an unknown error. The technical friction is real here, guys.
We started everything around 11 a.m. and right now it's 12:30. And so far, I have already built a skill, and right now I'm on to building the agents. Let me show you. Based on everything they know about me so far, they actually recommended a few things that I can build. I kind of want to build everything right now, and I'm not sure which one to choose.
If I had to sum up my experience today in 3 points, first, building with AI really comes down to clarity. You have to know your exact pain point and be super specific with Claude, otherwise you just get crappy output. And second, AI doesn't replace us, it just handles the boring, mundane stuff so we can actually have the energy and capacity to be more creative. And honestly, doing this with a community is a total cheat code. Everyone here has a different problem and is building something unique, so you get to see what Claude can do in ways you never think of alone. If you're tired of just playing around with AI alone and actually want to build something useful, you need to come to the next workshop. Comment Claude and I'll send you the link. And here's a little content system I built today. Yay!
Got a 3K web system for free and planned a whole month of content while I was at it. So yesterday I joined the Claude Malaysia workshop. People from every industry, amazing energy, and pro tech talent right there to help you build your own dashboard. The trainer breaks down every step and explains the logic behind it. The key insights: direct prompt cut down the token cost significantly. No waste, just result. My biggest aha moment: it doesn't matter what industry you are in. This workshop addresses your pain points, and I worked out with a system worth 3K for free. In the half-day workshop, my entire content dashboard was done. Every week script I planned. This kind of workshop is rare. Real learning, real result, real people. If you want to join the next upcoming workshop, drop Claude in the comment and I will send you the link.
Stop relying on manual spreadsheets to track your business. Guess what? She's never used Claude before, and this is the dashboard she built in half a day.
I have built a daily operation dashboard to look at the sales number for the hotel bookings and also F&B. The dashboard is quite clean, easy to see the data that I want to see on a daily basis.
Nice. Month-to-date rooms, right? What's your utilization on
Correct,
rooms?
and the occupancy rate as well.
Occupancy rate.
So whether I'm achieving my monthly target is also reflected here. I can see also how many rooms are booked today. This is the daily.
Nice.
Wow.
You feel that this can help you
Yes,
make more money?
for sure.
If you want to join the exact workshop that she joined, comment Claude and I'll send you the invite. You're welcome. Follow for the 18. What's your name and what have you built here?
I have built a HR dashboard.
HR dashboard. Can you show us?
Hero tracker
Payroll tracker,
and
dashboard,
also the KPI score for
session
the,
planning,
for
headcount by country, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, Thailand, payout discrepancies this month. Oh, nice, nice. Okay, good morning everyone! Welcome to the first half day Claude Malaysia.
Just build this dashboard in just half a day.
Grateful for the eye-opening session.
Thank you, Claude. Thank you, Claude Malaysia.
Thank you, Claude Malaysia.
Malaysia community!
myself to keep track every posting because there's a lot of ideas, but we need to organize the idea according to the timeline and the PIC, and that's what I think.
我真的
觉得大家应该要去上这堂课程。在前几天我去上了这个 Claude Malaysia 的课程，然后我在里面学习到怎样真正的去使用 Claude Code 这件事情。平时的我真的像小白一样，就是只是会 prompt， 然后去生成我的 content system。我来给大家看一下这几天我都在忙些什么。基本上你只需要填写你的资料，然后你就可以生成一个最 simple 最简单的 content idea 小。如果你们想要了解更多课程，或者是想要这个 system 的话 ，comment down below Claude， 然后我就会 send 给你。
Okay, awesome. So who needs more time, all right? If you guys need more time, all right, type in time in the chat. And if you guys have already bought the tickets, okay, type in done, all right? Okay, so I see Chong Puiwa say I want to pay by touch and go, all right? Chong, we only do card payments for now, all right? So if you can't do card right now, all right, just save the link. Right, and make sure you check out earlier, right? Because we still have this early bird rate only for the first 10. Okay, Chris Chong says looking for intermediate class. Okay, if you are looking for intermediate class, we will announce more in a WhatsApp group later. Okay, Elaine asks, hi Kingsley, what do you recommend we use Claude for? So it really depends on your job, right? Some people are doing finance. Okay, then boom, you'll build something for finance. Some people are doing HR. Okay, then you'll build a HR dashboard. Some people are doing manufacturing. Oh, then you will do a manufacturing dashboard. Some people are doing interior design, right? Then you will build an interior design dashboard. So everyone will have their own dashboard personalized to them. Okay. So, okay, Rebecca says done. Okay, congrats, Rebecca. Okay, Didi Teo says done. Okay, congrats, Didi, right? I think Didi just called me this afternoon, okay? And then I was like, okay, so we have to have this class so that Didi can come, okay? So, okay, see you, okay, Didi. So Rebecca says, I'm stuck at Stash Brand. So Rebecca, the same fix with Nisa just now is to just upload the whole PDF into Claude and say, install this for me. Okay, Rebecca? So just upload the whole PDF into Claude and say, install this for me. Okay, Eileen says, want to know if the training class is held in KL. So Eileen, yes, this is in KL. Where exactly in KL? Usually we do it in Puchong, but now we haven't confirmed the venue yet because it's in August. Okay, so we still have time, but 100% it will be in KL. Okay, so yeah, okay, it will be in KL. We will announce the venue. Okay, so Elvin says, just pay for VIP. Okay, congrats, Elvin. Okay, for locking your VIP slot. Okay, so during lunchtime, okay, VIPs, okay, we will do the carousel for you, right? Live, right? That means we will teach you, we will install for you the carousel, and you will walk, and after lunch, you will have your carousel done already. Okay, so congrats for locking that in, okay, Alvin. Okay, Chong Puiwa says done, General. Okay, congrats, Chong Puiwa. Okay, see you there on 8th of August. Okay, Rebecca says, okay, I also paid for the VIP. Okay, congrats, Rebecca. Okay, see you there on 8th of August. Okay, so Huda, maybe you can just total up, out of the 10 early birds ticket, how many early birds we have left. Okay, so this is the early bird price, right? For this webinar. Then people who come in the WhatsApp group, if the 10 is sold out, then they will get it at a higher price. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so now it's about 9:36. Okay, we have about 25 more minutes. So let's go back to Steve. Steve, are you there?
Oh, yes.
Okay, perfect. So have you managed to, okay, now are you ready to do your website as well?
Yeah, okay, sure.
Okay, so yes, so you can just click deploy to production for your Versal. Okay, just click deploy to production. Okay, so now I will share with you guys, okay, how to build your own website. Okay, it's just a simple website. Okay, kind of like how I did mine. Okay, now for this website, maybe let me share my screen. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe let me share my screen instead. Okay, so I will walk you guys through what's the step first lah. Okay, so for the website, I will share you the PDF. Okay, that says duplicate the Claude Malaysia website. And it's just 3 steps. Okay, number 1, copy the repo, change your brand, and deploy on Versal. Okay, so it's the same, right? So all of the data, all of the code, okay, I've already uploaded here. Okay, I'm just giving it, okay, to you guys as a template for free. Okay, so yeah, right. And then yeah, and then all you have to do, Steve, is you just have to put your brand name, your tagline, your headline, your stats, and your links, your colors. Then it can do it for you already. Okay, so I will just give you guys the link to this PDF. Okay, duplicate Claude Malaysia website. Chong Pui Wah, okay, maybe you just contact my team. Contact Huda. Okay, so Huda is my events manager, so my events manager will take care of you. But okay, so Chong Pui Wah, usually our events are non-refundable and also non-transferable. But but because you're on this call, right? You might have seen it wrongly, or you're very excited, right? You got it wrong, all right? Next time if we run an event, right, we will see if there's an opening, and if there is, right, then we will let you in. Right? But yeah, just to let you know, usually our tickets are non-transferable, non-refundable, because if not, then once you have a event, then everyone is like, oh, I buy and then I can't make it. I buy and then I can't make it, right? Then it's not good for events, right? Yeah, but because you let us know. Okay, I saw wrongly KL. Oh, so okay, so you can make it, right? Chong Pui Wah, right? 16, since it's not 8/8, right? So you should be able to make it, right? Okay. So yeah, if you can make it, then it's fine. Okay, so wait, let me just paste this in the chat. Okay, so duplicate Claude MY website. Duplicate. Okay, boom, I just shared this in the chat. So Steve, why don't you go ahead and share your screen right now, and I'll show you what to do.
Yeah, okay, sure. Okay, so this
Okay.
one, right?
Yes, so what I suggest, maybe you just download this whole PDF file. Just download this. Yeah. And then now go to your Claude Code. And then, okay, so now let me teach you a trick. Okay, how many of you guys want to learn a trick? Okay, if you guys want to know a trick, okay, type in trick in the chat. If you guys don't want to know a trick, okay, type in trick in the chat. Okay, this trick I learned after using Claude Code for 3 months. I wish someone could have told me this trick earlier. I so wish someone could have told me this trick earlier. But now I will just straight away save 3 months of your time, right? And just teach you this trick for free, all right? So now, Steve, now you have got this branding already going in one window, correct?
Yes, correct.
So also on your screen, you see brand kit repository setup, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so the trick here is to use something called fork. Okay, so everyone type in the chat fork, F-O-R-K, fork. Okay, fork. What is a fork? Okay, everyone type in the chat F-O-R-K, fork. Okay, so now I want you to hover your mouse above the brand kit repository setup. On the left hand side, right? You see the different chat.
On the left hand side here.
Yes. Okay. You see recents.
Yeah,
okay?
Correct.
Under the brand kit repository setup.
Okay.
Okay, now you see this 3 little button. Okay, click there.
Yep.
And you see fork. Click on fork.
Oh, right.
Okay, so what does fork do? So do you see how you just duplicated your previous chat? Do you see that? Okay, now you fork the chat already. That means this chat has all of your brand details, correct or not?
Yep.
So now on this new chat, you just paste in the PDF that you got for the website.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, open. Okay, now you just say based on this brand kit, okay, help me to make this website. Ask me questions until you're sure of what I want. Okay, now click enter. Okay, what does it say now? Is it still loading? Okay, I just saw Alvin says, Kingsley, I need a quick help. If possible, can I share my screen? Okay, sure. Yeah, maybe Steve, if you could just unshare for a while. Yes, Alvin.
Hi, Kingsley.
Oh, hi. Oh, you're stuck here. Same with Nisa.
Yeah.
Awesome. I see this is your first Claude Code session. Congratulations.
I made two purchases today. One is Claude Code, another one is for your VIP ticket.
Awesome. Congratulations. Okay, everyone type in the chat. Congratulations, Alvin, okay, for taking action.
Thank
Okay,
you, thank you.
okay, I'm sure Alvin, you're sick of scrolling Instagram and seeing so many Instagrams okay, posts, right? Now you're finally taking action. Okay, so congrats, Alvin.
Okay,
Okay, everyone
so
type.
over
Yeah.
here, what should I do? Should I just throw the PDF file into it?
Yes, I think that's the easiest fix.
I see,
Okay,
because I have
okay.
been
Do you see
following.
that? Yeah. Okay, now just say install this for me and click enter. Okay, and later, once it's done installed, Alvin, all you need to do is type /brand, and then it will start the interview and beginning to interview you lah, the 6th question.
Okay, all right. I will pass it back to Steve then.
Perfect. Is this on your what? Like, are you on a new device? Is this on a MacBook Neo or something?
No, I didn't share the entire screen. I only share my Claude.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's why the windows look small. I thought you're like on a new MacBook or something like that.
Yeah, because I have several screens, so I just purely share this software only instead of the whole
I see. Okay. Okay, now you're ready for /brand. So, if you want, you can type /brand.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, it's reading the interview.md now, so it's good to go.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks, Alvin. See you soon, 8 August.
See you, see you.
Okay, let's jump back to Steve.
Yeah, all right, sure. Oh, I unable to share.
Yeah, maybe
Let
Alvin.
me stop sharing
All
first.
right, sure.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, how should the site position convert mission? Yeah, this is up to you.
Three.
Yep, you can do a placeholder first. Okay, so this is gonna follow your visual style, right? Which you forked just now. So you see the power of forking. Okay, forking actually save you so much time because you don't have to tell your whole brand story again.
So this one, I need to answer them, right?
Answer any you have.
Okay.
Booking link, contact email. Yeah, if you want to.
So,
Okay, who else is doing this website thing? Other than Steve, who else is doing? Okay, type in vibe. If you are vibe coding together, okay, type in vibe in the chat. Okay, so I know that other than Steve, okay, you guys are working on it as well. Who else other than Steve is vibe coding right now with us? Oh, GHI says vibe. GHI, have you done the branding? If you have, please share it in our WhatsApp group as well. Just take a photo or something, huh? So they can show us what you've done. Okay, so Steve, for the Versal, if you just let it auto generate a link, it will just generate any link.
oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. So then later, if you want to put your own domain, you can adjust it later.
Oh,
Yeah.
so
So,
later I tell them to do that, right?
Yeah, so you can just
Just
say
generate a link.
yeah, just generate a link on Versal and it will work.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We're about 9:52. Okay, so a few more minutes until 10 o'clock. And yeah, let's see if you can get your website done in 8 more minutes. Then I think that will be pretty awesome for our 2-hour session here today. Oh, only JHI is vibing, huh? Who else is building this as well? Who else is building their own website as well? Only JHI. Oh, awesome, GHI. Action taker. I love that. Oh, Alvin says, I'm doing it now. Oh, awesome, Alvin. Action taker as well. Alvin, I would suggest you finish your brand first. After you finish your brand, then you fork the brand for the website so that it follows your brand. Oh, you already have my brand CI. Okay, then that's great then. Yeah, then all you have to do is you just throw your brand CI inside Claude Code and just follow my website template and then deploy it on Vercel. But at the brand kit part. Okay, just take it slow, okay? Take it slow, Rebecca. All good. Okay, it's the same like in our in-person workshops. Some people for some reason their Claude and their computer goes faster. Some people, and their computer go a bit slower. But usually in our workshop, we wait for everyone to finish, then we go to the next step. Everyone to finish, then we go to the next step. Yeah. So no one gets left behind. So Steve, how have you been using your retirement calculator that you made last week? Do you show your client?
Oh, that one I testing on it.
Oh, you didn't show your client.
Not yet, not yet.
Why didn't you show your client, bro?
Yeah, actually, yeah, sure. I will show him.
Yeah, like just send him the link and make him go like, oh wow, okay, I didn't know that was possible.
Yeah,
And then when he asks, hey, who you learned it from? And you're like, secret, I cannot tell you.
Kingsley. Yeah.
No, you just say secret, I cannot tell you. Steve, are you still mainly doing what 3D design now? Or are you doing funnel design more?
Yeah,
Which is
also funnel
mainly,
design. Mainly is funnel design.
or nowadays mainly funnel design.
Yeah. And also 3D lah, to both. Oh,
Oh,
you still remember for the 3D one?
bro, of course. Of course, bro.
Actually, I do the website right using the GoHighLevel. Actually, it's quite easier and the quality is quite okay lah.
You mean the
It's a white coding lah.
yeah. Actually, for my own website, I also use the
I
GHL.
can
Uh,
while waiting, I can share you lah. I just build for
yeah.
my client. It takes a very short of period of time to build all these things. Like
Yeah.
actually, mainly the time consuming I did for this one, for the first one, when I have the brand guide, right? They just give me the copywriting and I ask
Yep.
the GoHighLevel build the same and follow this branding guideline. Then it build everything
Nice.
within less than 5 minutes. Everything.
Nice.
Log in, everything, or quiz. Yeah, this one is the quiz.
Nice. The quiz can actually be a lead generation tool.
Yeah, all right.
Awesome. So, oh, and by the way, do you saw that Claude actually there's this new MCP for Claude? Do you see that?
Oh, where is it?
Someone posted in the GoHighLevel official channel.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
But the post is quite long.
Okay.
So I think I'll just share with you personally lah. If you want to install, you can just install this. Yeah, I just dropped you a text. Yeah, so GHL MCP. So if you guys have been using, wait, how many of you guys know what's GoHighLevel GHL? If you guys know what's GHL, type in yes in chat. Oh, okay. So so Huda says yes, I says yes, Chris says yes, Tony says no. Okay. So GHL is this CRM platform, and previously they only have API. But recently they just launched their own MCP connector, which means you can basically connect Claude. And then, okay, so last time, right, you have to go inside your GHL, you have to log in, you click the button, you have to see, oh, this is where's my leads, have they paid money or not, right? And you know, GoHighLevel is very slow. But now, if you can just connect the GHL MCP, you can just ask Claude, how many leads do I have today? Then boom, it will tell you already. Because of this
That's amazing.
MCP, right? And I've actually played with this in February, starting from February of this year, but it was not so stable, right? It was always crashing and stuff like that. But now it's getting more and more stable. So vibe coding is getting real. A lot of big, all these softwares, they are jumping in to give all these API, MCPs and stuff like that. Elaine, you asked Claude can help you to find leads. Short answer is yes. I have done a 1-minute video, so I will share with you my 1-minute video. That I got 319 B2B leads. Okay, you can follow me on Instagram as well. Tony asks, how do we connect Claude to WhatsApp? Tony, if you have worked with WhatsApp before, you know that WhatsApp always runs into issues for whatever reason. And if you placed with stuff that WhatsApp don't like, then you might get your account banned. So I've got my account banned by WhatsApp before few times, and for my main number is really not worth it. So far I haven't found a reliable WhatsApp solution yet. But so far what I do is I just build a Telegram bot. A Telegram bot is much more stable and easy to work with lah. And here's what I tell everyone. I'm like, okay, I know that now WhatsApp is not so stable yet, and you can build on Telegram first. But once you get your Telegram going, guess what? Now it's very easy to do the same with WhatsApp. Right? Once you have your Telegram going, it's very easy to do the same thing with WhatsApp. Steve, can we scroll down a bit and see where are we now?
Okay, sure.
Okay, so it's still building. Okay. Okay, let's just wait for like another 10 more minutes and see. Because I really want to just see in 2 hours who can build a website. Okay, in just this 2-hour session, right? I really just want to see who can get this done in 2 hours. I really want to see us. Okay, from start, right? From A to Z, right? Everything was what we built in 2 hours. Yeah, so Steve, I mean, if the GHL Vibe Builder is easier, then I would suggest, just keeping that GHL Vibe Builder.
Right.
But you also know that like Vibe Builder, yeah. So it's up to you. So for me, like my Claude Malaysia website, I decided I want something more advanced. I want it to be a bit more customized and use Claude Code to build. But if you're saying that, hey, I just want a simple thing, I already have a text, then your GHL Vibe Builder will probably be good enough.
Yeah, correct. But
Yeah.
yours one, I think it's more customized. It's more details in terms of the design elements.
Yeah, for sure.
Did you adjust a lot of the elements? Just keep asking the AI, the Claude to adjust, or maybe just a few versions already happy with it?
For me, my experience is that the first 80% will be easy, right? Like the first draft they give you is probably like 80% done already. But it's the remaining 20% and the details that will be annoying,
Yeah.
lah. Right? It's like the small little buttons or the small little thing. And sometimes, you can go crazy with editing all these small things. So yeah, so that's why I decided to turn it into a template so that it's super easy for you guys to do the same. Right? So all you have to do is just copy and paste. You don't have to spend hours and hours trying to waste your tokens as well. Okay, looks
So
like
means
it's
you turns to template means that entire process after you spend like several hours, so you just copy the fork, is it, to a template? Is it something like that?
so what I do is like literally in this chat, right? So or maybe you can stop sharing and then I let you share
Okay,
screen.
sure.
Yeah, then you let me share. So how I turn what I do into a skill is very simple. Okay, here it is. Okay, so okay, I am sharing my screen now. And yeah, see, Steve, I just put here. Based on, right, so here's my Claude MY brand. So this is the thread that I've been talking to brand, right? Then just say, based on this, make a GitHub repo with all the skills and instructions to make a brand identity for people to just copy and paste into their code. Ask them about their brand name, their brand colors, and any details before they make it. Plan it out for me. Then it just did the whole thing. And then I says, okay, just do everything now and give me a step-by-step PDF as an instruction to newbie. So then it did the instruction that, it did the PDF that you use as well. So guess what time I did this thing, Steve? Our Zoom started at 8 p.m., right? I did this thing at 7:30 p.m. Is this funny or not? Like the class started at 8 p.m. I did this skill thing at 7:30. Yeah. They says Siu says fast, yeah. Yeah, when you are good with Claude and we are good with AI agents, then yeah, you can just do it like this. Wow. Okay. Nice. Can you put wow, nice. Wow.
Wow, nice.
Wow. Oh my god, this is almost the same as my Claude Malaysia one. Holy shit. Oh my god.
How come the design close to UI? Is it because using your skill?
Yeah, maybe. Okay, let's do a scroll, okay, Steve, from just top to bottom. I just want to take a
Yeah.
video. Okay, 1, 2,
Alright,
go.
sure.
Okay, so let's go, scroll down. This is the website they built today. Wow. Okay, with all the gradients, all the design, convert mission. Let's go. Okay, live on Zoom, 2 hours. 2 hours done. Awesome.
It's still building, right? Actually, I
Yeah,
think
and
finished.
yeah, and if you want to get a link, you just tell it deploy it to Vercel. Deploy to Vercel, all right? If you can get a link,
Is it correct?
deploy,
Vercel.
yeah, to
Okay.
Vercel. Yeah. So Elaine says, are we able to change the logo to other things? Yes, can. Just upload your new logo lah. Can. Everything you see can change one, Elaine. Oh, it even keep the animation, okay, Steve? If you realize, if you scroll up, no, I mean like in the website, right? You scroll up, Okay.
Okay.
Notice like when your mouse hovers, okay, scroll down a bit. Scroll down. Scroll down a bit. Steve, down a bit. Okay. Notice when
this one
your
got animation.
mouse,
Wow.
yeah, see there's some
Nice.
animations.
Yeah.
So if you want to animate it even more, you can just ask it to, hey, I want to add more animation. Then you can even show it some examples of animation that you want to use. And then you can animate it even more if you want to.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So yeah.
It's one question
Last
is like
question.
this lah. For example,
Yeah.
let's say I want to change this maybe like add image. Okay, for example, add image like here. So I just screenshot, then I just help me add one image from here to here. Is it
Yes,
something like that?
you can try. You can try.
Okay.
And then for example, Steve, because you're a graphics designer, right?
Uh,
So you can say, oh, I want it to be faded. I want
Ah.
the design to be this way. I want the side to fade off. I
okay.
want it, to have these colors, right? You can try and just see what comes out.
All right, sure.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
awesome.
got
So
the
we
link
are,
already.
yeah.
The link is ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you show
Thank
us the
you.
link? Yeah. Can you click on the link and show us the link?
Sure. Yeah, here's the link.
Awesome. Nice. Can you share this in the Claude Malaysia group as well? Like just to share everyone, like, hey guys, I built this for Kingsley's session.
All right. Cool. No problem.
Awesome. Let's say congrats, Steve. Okay, so Steve showed up on his laptop. Okay, Steve got it done. Okay, everyone type in the chat. Okay, congrats, Steve. Okay, so how much? So SH says congrats, Steve. JHI says congrats, Steve. Amy says congrats, Steve. Okay, Steve says thank you. Okay, Rebecca says congrats, Steve. Elvin says very nice page, worth 5,000 ringgit. Okay, Elvin, right? I love this, right? Very nice page. Okay, worth 5,000 ringgit. Okay, congrats. Okay, Steve. Okay, Luna says congrats, Steve. Steve says thank you, Kingsley. Clara says congrats, Steve. Luna says thanks, Kingsley. Okay, Min says congrats, Steve. Okay, so do you guys got value from today's session? Okay, if you guys got value, okay, type in value in the chat. Right, and today is just like a free session, right? I just want to help you guys, okay, to at least get your website up. All right, so okay, JR says value, Amy says value, okay, Elaine says value, okay, Rebecca says value, okay, Ashish says value. Okay, so is it okay? Okay, so now we are actually growing our community. So we actually want more reviews on our Google Map, right? So is it okay if you just take 5 minutes to help us to leave a review, okay, on Google Maps? Okay, you guys can screenshot this Zoom, or you guys can screenshot what you built and just help us to leave a review on the Google Maps, okay, and share with us like what is your biggest takeaway for today. And then if you leave a review, I'll also send you the recording for this session today lah, right? That means you leave a review, I'll share with you the recording for this session today, right? And I will share you the recording for this session as a bonus. Okay, so Elvin, yeah, so the fork is basically that means you duplicate your chat. Okay, a fork is just duplicating your chat. Okay, so now I'll just give you guys another 5 more minutes, okay, to leave a review on our Google Maps, okay, just to share, what is your biggest takeaway from today. And then I will also share with you guys the replay for this lah when I upload it. Okay, so I'll give you guys 5 minutes. Okay, begins now. Let me just play a quick video. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, yeah, so just go ahead, all right? You guys can take a screenshot, okay, of this Zoom chat, take a screenshot of what you've built, take a screenshot of your branding, take a screenshot of your design, and if you can help me to upload that to the Google Maps review, I think that would really help us to grow our community, right? And that will really give me more energy, right, to also serve you and to do, some free sharing sessions like this. Okay, so I'll just play a video. 5 minutes begins now.
All right, good morning and welcome to the Claude Malaysia workshop. Give your hands a round of applause. Hello, we're in 2026. AI is here. No more excuses. This is not another seminar where you take notes and do nothing. What is possible if you master and if you learn Claude Code? Our vision is to empower 100 people to help the next 100 people.
Actually does answer everything hands-on directly in my business without doing migration.
It was really fun, energetic, so much of insightful stuff that helps my business grow.
We can implement everything in 2 hours.
The way Kingsley explained it, the moment you understand, it's easier for you to plan ahead.
Don't think, just join. Claude is one of the most helpful AI tools right now.
Claude community!
Why am I struggling? I'm not a beginner at all. Came here mostly just networking and also learn from all the other experts. Based on the sharings, I noticed there are some parts that I didn't know it was a problem in my business until they mentioned it out. I'm also an AI trainer. This thing can be applied to my academy. One of the useful use cases I found is that they built their own WhatsApp and then connected to the dashboard from Benjamin Kingsley. Steven, yes, then I learned from there. Based on what I learned today, I will apply it to my website. I'm currently building a SaaS platform, which is software as a service. What surprised me the most? For someone who doesn't understand any technical thing in PC, they're able to build something so much more robust system than me. How is it going to be useful to them? Is it anything that you work on your laptop or your PC, anything that you work manually, Claude AI agent can handle most of that. Join their upcoming workshops. It definitely will 10 times your productivity and also 10 times saving your cost and also 10 times increase your revenue as well. Just join it.
Why was I struggling before I came to this workshop? I have a lot of inquiries for my consulting business. Information everywhere, inquiries everywhere that is not structured. What was it like after the workshop? Actually does answer everything hands-on that I can use the material that I tested on directly in my business without doing migration. I built a personal assistant dashboard to help me manage my inquiries and also to categorize them in a more concise, structured manner and do a follow-up. What surprised me most is that we can implement everything in 2 hours. To join the course, well, I would say give it a try, and you're afraid that things are getting too technical, come to this workshop. It's beginner friendly and intermediate friendly. It is actually you get something done in 2 hours.
Well, the thing was, I'm usually very alone doing this. Staying up to date about the newest developments, it's just so damn hard. Every month there is something new. What it's after, it's hey, I'm not alone anymore. So I already connected with a couple of people. I think there's a lot more interesting things to come, maybe collaborations. I actually built a dashboard, Basically, it's a sales and operations dashboard for marketing for wedding businesses in Bali. I thought I was really alone, and everybody is running their own things and everybody has their unique use cases. What applies in their business can also apply in mine in certain ways. Thinking about joining? If you're already using Claude as a chatbot, but you want to do somewhat more of it, use it for your day-to-day business, and you still feel like copy-pasting from your chat to your existing workflow, you should definitely give this a try. It will be very eye-opening.
I do not know anything about business. Those who have no tech background, AI background, Claude is your AI tool. 3 pain points. How to start a business, timeline, what are the things that you need to post within a few weeks. Kingsley and his team, they teach you, they show you, they touch you, and they guide you.
Before, obviously, I was wasting a lot of tokens. I'm actually quite shocked. In just 1.5 hours, I was able to build a workable dashboard that I can use it immediately, generate content right away. We might have built something that benefits you. You can also learn together, so it's not a lonely journey. Join our WhatsApp community.
What I was struggling with before today was, I had a lot of things I was doing manually in my business. After today, what was it like? It was really fun, energetic, learned a lot, so much of insightful stuff that helps me but also helps my business grow. What did I build today? So I built an entire AI command center for my business. So I could see where my pipelines, my leads, which client should I text first, my content process, which should I publish, which should I send to my editors. What surprises me most is the energy the community has and everyone's building actually pushes me to adapt or learn AI faster. Someone thinking about joining, what would I say to them? Don't think, just join. AI is something that is adapting and people should adapt fast. Claude is one of the most helpful AI tools right now, so Kingsley is the man.
Challenge that I faced previously to actually have a clean dashboard to actually look at different accounts. These are repetitive tasks that I could have done by leveraging using AI to be able to actually learn what AI can really do and make AI to your own possible use case. Group of amazing facilitators, which is sit down hands.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much. Right, I see Tony says done, Mitch says done, Steve says done, KJHI says done, Elvin says done, Rebecca says done. All right, so let's see, all right, what have you guys write. I just want to appreciate you and just read your comments as well. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, let me appreciate your comments and let me read your comments. Okay, let's see. Okay, so thank you so much to Dave, right? Says clear instructions, context, well-defined objectives, make a remarkable difference. AI is no longer just about asking questions, it's about learning how to communicate it effectively. A great session has given me ideas to improve my productivity and streamline my business. Thank you, Kingsley. All right, thank you so much, Dave. Okay, next, I see Rebecca. Wow. Advanced creating. Wow, awesome, Rebecca. So amazing session and truly impressed by what Claude Code can do in such a short time. Thank you, Kingsley, for giving so much value. Wow, awesome, Rebecca. Can you like share this okay, screenshot, right? In the chat as well, right? Just so that we know that, just so that other members on WhatsApp know what else that you guys have done. Okay, Mitch says context rich, amazing to see the power of Claude, churn out brand kit and website. Awesome. So Steve says, thank you, Kingsley, for getting me build a landing page in short period of time. Good value. Okay, Alvin says, learn to build a website in less than 2 hours. Thank you, Alvin. Okay. Geraldine says, attended their Zoom session on building a website with Claude. Very detailed explanation and step-by-step guide from building brand kit to getting a live website. Thanks, Kingsley and the team for organizing this. Wow. Geraldine. Hey, wow. Nice. You got your brand colors done. Love this. Okay, Tony says, Kingsley explains how to build your own brand websites easily. Brilliant. Thank you so much. Okay, for the I see Didi says done. Okay, Elaine says done. Okay, Elaine says done. Okay, so for those of you guys who are done, okay, I will just drop you guys a text, okay, on Zoom. So you just click on this WhatsApp link, okay, and then tomorrow when I upload this, okay, I'll just send you guys the replay, okay, for this session. Okay, now it's about 10:20. Okay, so I guess yeah, so thank you so much, okay, for joining. Okay, do share what you've built, and yeah, see you in the WhatsApp group. Okay, yeah, take care. Good night. All right, I'll just leave the chat open. All right, in case you guys have any more questions. All right, I'll just reply the chat. But other than that, yeah, see you next month and good night. Thanks, JHI. Thanks, Alvin. Thanks, Rebecca. Thanks, Didi. Thank you and good night.